Today we're here in sunny Newham, which is really close to Hanging Rock. Really the essence of why we're installing a system is Robin and her family have a homestead here in Newham, and they had a solar system which ultimately was nearing its expiry date. The system that we've installed is a 13 kilowatt system on 2 lines. So we've got individual Fronius Primo 5 kilowatt inverters with a Tesla Powerwall, 13.5 kilowatt hour. We've installed SunPower Performance Black panels, 325 watt, and they come with a 25-year replacement guarantee. Now, furthermore, if Robin and her family do regrettably want to sell the place, they can also transfer the ownership of the panels and the system to a new owner. Fundamentally, the system was catered around not only catering for their loads, having a backup storage supply, but also the installation of a fast EV charger. Greenwood looked at potentially which was the better of the EV chargers that were around to cater for the electric vehicles that are already on the property. And through consultation, we ascertained that the EV charger by Zappi was definitely the way to go. Incredibly simple and easy in its instructions on how to use it for starters, but also to install. It's a no-brainer. Beautiful areas in Victoria such as this are prone, unfortunately, to having really sketchy electrical input. So Greenwood and Robin, through assistance with Ganji Electrical, assisted in developing a PV system that not only catered for their loads, but also helped with battery backup on certain phases. So any client that's interested in looking at battery storage, there's a few certain checkpoints that we need to come by together. We need to really start to understand the load of the home, how much they're actually going to be using the home and be dependent on power, but also the ability to know what's coming potentially in the future. The batteries also, through the Tesla gateway and through the Tesla app, allow a little bit of fluctuation on how we go to a depth of discharge that really suits the client, how much backup they want for certain loads, etc. And once again, Tesla being one of the market leaders, incredibly easy to set up and also to set up remotely. The Tesla Powerwall and Gateway value for money is a very strong proposition. There's not a lot of moving parts, and they also work really well with a standard inverter. You don't need to have a battery hybrid inverter or anything like that for it to work. The family uses this homestead regularly, and there's nothing worse than when you come away to unwind and you haven't got any power to anything in your home. So the family took it upon themselves to find something that was sustainable, something that had adequate storage, and also a way of lowering their carbon emissions.